Hi, welcome to Detail Bit Academy. Today in this video, let's look at some of the important bits for ECET, and the topic that we are going to deal with is computer networks. And the first question is, what is a typical port number used for HTTP communication? Please note a point that it is HTTP, not HTTPS. And the option given are 21, 22, 80 and 443. The correct answer is C80. Reason port 80 is the standard port for the HTTP used for unencrypted web communication. Remember 80 port number for HTTP unencrypted web communication. For the secure we use HTTPS, and let's look at the port number in the next video. Next slide. See, port 443 is associated with A. FTP, B. Secure HTTP or HTTPS, C. SMTP, D. DNS. Pause the video and try the answer. And the correct answer is B. Secure HTTPS or HTTPS. So reason is port 443 is used for HTTPS, enabling encrypted communication between a web client and server for secure browsing. Third question. A DNS server resolves A. Domain name into the IP address, B. IP address into the MAC addresses, C. MAC addresses into the port numbers, D. Port numbers into the domain names. Pause the video and try the answer. Correct answer is A. Domain names into the IP addresses. Reason, a DNS domain name system server translates the user-friendly domain names into machine-readable IP addresses to locate and access website. As we can't remember the IP addresses, the DNS server is making all this stuff. And the fourth question is, POP3 operates on port post office protocol. So the option given are 110, 25, 143, 587. Pause the video and try the answer. And the correct answer is A. 110. Reason, port 110 is commonly used for the post office protocol version 3, that 3 represent the version, to retrieve emails from a remote server. Fifth question. What type of server is used to cache web content for the faster access? A. SMTP server, B. Proxy server, C. FTP server, D. POP server. Pause the video and try the answer. And the correct answer is B. Proxy server. So in our labs, our lab in charge used to say that to change the server to proxy, then we don't understand what is the use of this. So later we understand that in order to faster the browsing, so we are asked to change the port number or servers to proxy. So reason is proxy server caches frequently accessed web content to improve the load times and reduce the bandwidth usages. Sixth question. SMTP typically uses port. Option given are 21, 25, 80, 110. Pause the video and try the answer. And the correct answer is B25. Reason, port 25 is the default port for the SMTP, which handles sending emails from one server to another. Seventh question. The architecture of a web server includes A. Database and middleware layers, B. Front-end, back-end and database layers, C. Signaling and data channels, D. DNS and proxy integration. Pause the video and try the answer. And the correct answer is B. Front-end, back-end and database layers. Reason, a web server architecture includes a front-end for the user interaction and a back-end for the business logic and a database for the storing information. Eighth question. DNS typically operates on port. The options given are 21, 53, 80, 110. Pause the video and try the answer. And the correct answer is B. 53. Port 53 is used for the DNS communication, handling domain names, resolution and queries. Ninth question. A FTP server can operate in which two modes? Option given are active and passive, online and offline, encrypted and unencrypted, deep proxy and direct. Pause the video and try the answer. Correct answer is A. Active and passive. Reason, FTP servers use active mode for the direct communication and passive mode for client initiated connection through firewalls. That is for security. And the last final answer question is, a proxy server can improve the security by encrypting all the transmitted data, blocking the malicious website, reducing the latency in the communication, increasing the file transfer speed. Pause the video and try the answer. And the correct answer is B, blocking the malicious website. Reason, the proxy server filters and block the malicious website, providing an additional layer of the security for the client devices. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.